Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of how to do that Why is that thing from TikTok dance. So, normally I always try to find out who the creator behind these dances are, and in this case I was looking through TikTok video after TikTok video, reading through the comments, and I was almost about to give up until I finally found someone who wrote it. And the creator is 2Live Nation. His TikTok name is 2live.d. I'll write it somewhere here. So go check out his stuff. And if you're watching this, 2Live Nation, thank you so much for creating this awesome dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Life for Lance, for being the first one to request it. Now, I would say that this dance is an easy TikTok dance. It's short, so we're just gonna keep it simple. So we're gonna do preview, breakdown, we're gonna do a recap, and then we're gonna practice at the end. Okay, so let me show you a quick preview of what we're gonna learn. Why is everything grow? Whoa, clap, and hip, 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 wavy, wavy, wavy. And I'll lean, side rock, and I'll lean, side rock. Now let me break it down. So, start by saying, why is everything chrome, freestyle, whatever you want. Why is everything chrome? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So why is everything chrome? From here you want to do the whoa. Most people just do the classic one, so in this case, left goes down, right comes up, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I guess I also, no. So from here, I take my left, go down, right, up. From here, you want to say clap, clap, doesn't matter which hand is on top. Or you can go right after the whoa, you can go snap instead. Up to you. I think Addison is doing hip for some reason, yeah. So, just clap or snap, yeah. From here, you want to say hip move. I have a separate tutorial for that if you want a more in-depth tutorial, so click up here. Basically what I do with my hips is I just move them side to side and kind of also turning, yeah, and also go up and down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You can also keep it small in here, yeah. So you want to do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most people, I think, go to the right side to begin with, but I do left. That feels better for me. Do whichever side that feels comfortable for you. Doesn't matter. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arms are going prep before you go up, 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 up. Or you can just keep it here while you're doing the hip move. So what I do is I say prep before I say hip, 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 4. Okay, so from hip, 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 from here you want to do wavy, wavy, front, and. Now I see that people are doing this in different ways. So one way to do it is you just go cross, cross. So imagine there are dolphins. I'm just going to show from the bird view here. Swimming out, in, out, yeah. And then you want to do it to the front in the end. That's one way to do it. I see Charlie, she does, I think, cross, cross. Yeah, so she switches. Yeah, so let's just rewind to the tip top. Why is everything chrome? Then you want to say whoa, and then you want to say clap or snap, whatever. From here you want to do the hip move, so you want to prep before you say hip, 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 hip. Or you can just say hip, 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 hip. Let's just try that from the tip top. We want to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is everything chrome? Whoa, clap, hip, 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 hip. So I'm gonna count to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Why is everything chrome? And then you want to say whoa, and a clap, and a prep, hip, 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 hip. Let's try them once again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Why is everything chrome? You go, whoa, and a clap, and a hip, 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 hip. Or instead of bringing your hands like this and then going up, So from down and up, you can just go up behind and then hit it. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Yeah, so the difference is woom, 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 instead of woom, 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 woom. Guess you can also, whatever. So just, if you want to do like I do, you want to go sideways like that 2 times and then to the front. Yeah? Let's just try and practice that. I'm going to count to 8 and then we're going to go woom, woom, front. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go side, side to the front. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, side, front. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, side, front. And okay, so right after woom, 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 woom. Actually, one detail. I actually do like lean and then I go back. So I'm just gonna show it from the side. I go side, side, and then I go lean, back. You can also go down, whatever you want. So woom, 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 back from here. You want to keep your hands here, close to your body, and then you want to say lean to the front, lean to the side, and then you want to say guitar. You can lift up your leg if you want to. This is my right leg. And then you want to hold the guitar here and play the strings with your left hand. Yeah? So let's just do that again. Let's do the transition as well. So we want to go side, side, lean, back, and lean, side, guitar. Let's try that. Woom, 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 woom. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go woom, 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 and lean, side, and a rock. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go woom, woom, front, and lean, side, and a rock. All right, now you just need to repeat it to the other side, but this time, instead of doing rock, you just want to do rock like that. Yeah, so cowboy. And this is my left. So you want to say front to the lean to the right, and then left arm up. So when I do it all together, I want to go woom, 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 lean on the left, rock, and a lean, right, and a rock. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go woom, woom, front, and a lean, left, and a rock, and a lean, right, and a rock. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woom, woom, front, and a lean, left, and a rock, and a lean, right, and a rock. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woom, 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 and a front, left, hey, and a front, right, hey. Alright guys, now let's recap the whole thing in case you forgot the first few moves. So, from the tip top, it goes, why is everything chrome? From here, you want to go whoa, and then you want to say clap, snap, whatever. And then you want to prep for the hip move, and then you want to go hip, 2, 3, 4. From here, you want to say here, swing to the front, back, and then lean, sideways, rock, and lean, right, rock. All right, now let me explain the timing. So I'm gonna use counts because it's just on beats in the beginning, and then it's lean and a rock. Yeah, so I'm gonna use counts. So it goes, why is everything chrome? And then it starts, the beat starts on 1, and then the clap is on 2. Then we go prep on and 3 and 4 and then we go 5 and 6 and then lyrics lean and rock, lean, rock. All right, now let's practice. So we're gonna start slow. Let's just go, why is everything chrome? And then 1, 2, and so on. So let's go. Why is everything chrome? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and lean, rock, and lean, rock. Let's try that again. A bit faster maybe. There we go. Why is everything in chrome? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and lean, rock, lean, rock. Alright guys, one last time. So, let's just go. Why is it in chrome? So, why is everything in chrome? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and lean, rock, lean, rock. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. That's it for this dance tutorial of how to do that. Why is everything chrome? TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.